Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you install the Git in your PC. So open the Chrome browser and search Git. Here you can see you can also visit on the official website and from there you can download, but here I got the direct download link of the Windows, so just click on it. So it will redirect you for the downloading section of the Git. So my PC is 64-bit, so I am installing this one. If you want to more details, or if you want to learn more about Git, so you can also visit on the GitHub official website, and here you can see the multiple option. If you want to learn about their command or how it works, so you can simply you can see this like this. So you can see what is Git branching, distributed Git, GitHub. Don't worry, I will tell you all how it's working, and how we can push the data, how we can create. So all these features all these commands I will tell you in video, and also provide you a cheat sheet that will help you to easy to learn. So here you can see when I click on this PDF, it directly downloaded. So you can also download if you want to learn more about the Git or GitHub bash. So you can visit on the official website. I will also provide this link on the description below, so you can also redirect. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss an updates. As you can see, the Git is successfully installed. So click on it. So click yes. So if you want to see this about the instructions, so you can read this, but I'm clicking the yes. And if you want to change your the directory, if you want to change your installation in other disk, so you can simply browse and you can change, but I want to install in local DC, so I'm just clicking next. So if you want to show the git bash on your PC on desktop, so simply you can click from here yes, and I'm selecting by default of the option. So I want start menu on Git, so I'm not clicking this option checkbox. So click on next, 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 then click on next. Install. As you can see, our Git is successfully installed our system. So click on finish. So this is our Git bash terminal. So let's here I'm creating a new folder, giving a name Git, and when I click right click of the mouse, so as you can see here we are getting the Git bash here. So on the next video I will tell you how to which command how many commands are there and how to use that. Till then we will see on the next video. Thank you.